Hi again, guys, this is Brooke. We're going to do problem 5 now. So, different video. Hi. So, we have, that's problem 4, sorry. Suppose 100 people are waiting for a blood test for a kind of disease. The probability that for one person the test result is positive equals 0.1. Two test methods are as follows. Method 1, test each person one by one, which means 100 tests. Method 2, divide 100 people into 10 groups with 10 people in each group. Then mix 10 people's blood and test that mixture. If the result is negative, then everyone in this group is negative. If the result is positive, then we test these 10 people's blood one by one. Now the number of tests becomes 11. So on average, what is the number of tests we need to do by the second method? So hopefully I can keep the video straight. So again, we said we're only considering method 2, so we have 10 groups of 10. So if negative, then we have 1 test. If positive, we have 11 tests. Alright, so on average, let's see. So let's say we have the event being, the number of tests needed for each group of 10 people. For each group of 10 people. So now we know that the probability of one person having the disease is 0.1. So if we are evaluating a group of 10 people, then for only 1 test to be needed, all of them need to be negative. So we take into account that the probability must be that the probability of, say, one person not having the disease is 0.9. And so 10 people, we just 0.9 times 0.9 times 0.9 and so forth. So we just say exponent 10. And the probability of the number of tests needed for each group of 10 people should be 1. That's what I meant here. And for the next one, that it's 11 is just 1 minus that. So when we're talking about the average number of tests we are evaluating for one group. And so we have 1 times the probability of A equals 1, which is 0.9 to the 10th, plus 11 times 1 minus 0.9 to the 10th. And this comes out to be 7.51. Again, I apologize for all the moving. It's a little difficult with one hand. And so again, this number represents the average number of tests that are needed for each group of 10 people. So of course, when you're evaluating 100 people, it is 10 times this number. However, of course, we can't just do 75.1 tests, so we do a round up to 76 tests. Alright, so that took care of that, and thanks for watching. Alright.